likes the ladies with the legs in the air. Her name is Nicole. She's got big soul. I don't know what else to say.
Hey, now.
Maybe I should roll.
Roll, baby, roll.
Are you filming?
Can I show you my car?
Total stupidity.
Come on, Mark.
Mark's gonna get the police brutality on tape tonight.
One bright day in the middle of night, two dead men got up to fight. Back to back, they faced each other, drew their swords, and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise and came and shot those two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, just ask the blind man. He saw it too.
It's like something you read on a shithouse wall.
Wasn't that good?
That was excellent.
Tally-ho, tally-ho, Shaquille. Tally-ho, Shaquille.